that the man has traveled in the north, east and south direction. So let us look at the directions: north, east, south, west. So we can say that the man traveled 50 meters in north, 40 meters in east and 20 meters south. And we are asked what is the distance that this man traveled. So the distance is simply the total distance traveled by him, which is 50 plus 40 plus 20 meters, which gives a final answer of 110 meters. Distance is a scalar quantity, thus we just added these distances. Now we talk about displacement. So the displacement will be the distance between these 2 points. This is called displacement. We know this is 50 meters, this is 40 meters, this is 20 meters. So this distance will be 20 meters. And since this is equals to this, and this distance will be, the total distance is 50 meters minus 20 meters equals to 30 meters. And this distance is equals to the distance above it, which is equals to 40 meters. So if we look at this triangle, the displacement we can get by the Pythagoras theorem. The displacement between A and B will be under root of 30 whole squared plus 40 whole squared. Thus we get the magnitude of displacement equals to 50 meters. But since displacement is a vector quantity, we need to find out the direction as well. Now we know that the man traveled to north, then east, then south, and in the end he makes a total angle of theta in the northeast direction. So we need to find the value of this theta to find the direction. To find the direction of this. To find the direction of this, theta is equals to what? Theta will be tan inverse of the perpendicular distance by the base distance. We know that the perpendicular distance is 30 meters divided by 40 meters. So we get the value of tan theta to be 30 by 40 equals to 3 by 4. Therefore theta is tan inverse of 3 by 4. Thus we can write the final answer that the displacement of the man is 50 meters in tan inverse 3 by 4 northeast direction. And that is the final answer.